Alright guys, we got the Mechman 370 amp alternator right here. A nice billet pulley on it, and about to do this install of it on the work truck right here. Gonna replace the old factory unit. It's been doing pretty decent for a factory unit, but we got our 2 runs of 0 gauge going back to the back. A little upgraded big 3 going on right here. Got our external regulation going on right here, set it at about 14.9 I believe. But the reason why we're upgrading this now, which we're going to upgrade it anyway, and we had a 270 on there, but we decided to step it up a little bit. You can see this little gem right back here. So we're running dual Terminator Audio 20.1s. Got a little bit of junk in here today. But anyway, so we're about to get this thing thrown on here, and yeah, hopefully next time when we pull it up, we'll have it on there. Bam! Got it all put in there. Got the wires all nice and tidy. So let's start her up and see what kind of voltage we have. Come on, Betsy. 14.71, not too bad. See, we got our adjustable voltage regulator over here. We can turn it up. Really, after you turn this up, turn it just a very little bit. Really, after you turn it up and you set it, you don't really have a. See, now we're at 15.18. I'll probably bring it down just a little bit. It's real sensitive because it regulates voltage from like, I think it's 14 volts to 20 volts. No, I'll mess with this, but anyway, as you can see, we got the Mechman 370 in here. If you'd like to get an alternator like this, or one more satisfactory to your needs, just email me at jprice8888@yahoo.com. The link's in the description, or the email's in the description. Yeah, another little install for JP in the books, but don't tell anybody. Cold out here this morning. Oops. Don't make fun of me. I'm a rookie. But I do the best I can. Get this routed real nice and clean through here, and see what it comes out like.